Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state university. And actually, I got this notification, keep on searching based upon the yesterday comments. I got that economics, English and Hindi. Okay, so different comments I got that. So please find out the vacancies regarding this one. So in the process of searching the vacancies based upon the comments, so here I got the state university recruitment notification, guys. I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to you. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this permanent assistant professor vacancies recruitment notification from the state university, which is providing the pay scales as per the 7th CPC recommendations. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Into the present content of the video, it is Jananayak Chandrasekhar University, Ballai. So it is one of the state university, guys. And before going into the what are the different departments here announcing the vacancies, all these things. So once after completion of this video, if your subjects are not covered here in this one, then don't worry, guys. Please mention your requirement or the subject in the comment section of this video. So definitely based upon your comments, I will come up in the next videos, guys. Fine. So to get the notifications, okay, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Fine. So first we will see the advertisement. Okay, so here the online payment registration and the form filling using login and the online form fill printout. Okay, and you have to send the hard copy enclosures by register post or the speed post. That means the total 5 steps are there here. Okay, so you have to follow all these 5 steps to finish the online recruitment process, or else the online application process. So here the helpline mobile number as well as the email ID is there. So at the time of filling up of the online application form, or else at the time of paying the online fee payment, if you are having any queries, then you may contact this number, or else you may put one mail to this mail ID. Okay, and click on this advertisement, guys. Of course, here the 3 things are given: advertisement, details of post and general instructions. But if you click any one of these things, it will direct it to only one PDF. That means all these 3 related to one PDF only. So it is that one. You may check down here the Jananayak Chandrasekhar University, Ballai. So here we got this recruitment notification on 2nd August 2021. So here you may check down the date. And coming to the departments, fine. So here the departments I am going to show you: economics and English. So here the professor, associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are also there, and as per the caste category also, this number of vacancies are divided here. Okay, and the post code is also mentioned here. I think this post code will be helpful to you at the time of filling up of the online application form. Okay, so coming to the subjects: economics, English, home science, ancient history, culture and archaeology, and medieval and modern history, political science, commerce, social work, sociology and Hindi. So yesterday I got the comments regarding the Hindi, economics, sociology, okay, and English. Okay, so regarding these subjects I got the comment, so that's why I think I got the one-stop video for this one. Okay, so here coming to the pay scales, for the professor it is level 14, that means 1,44,200 to 2,18,200 rupees per month. And coming to the associate professor, it is level 13A, 1,31,400 to 2,17,100. And for assistant professor, level 10 category, 57,000 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Okay, and coming to the important dates, the date of advertisement is on 2nd August 2021. And the duration to fill online application form on recruitment portal of university website, 3rd August to 24th August. So you have to remember, guys, 24th August is the last date for filling up of the online application form. And after filling the online application form, you have to send the hard copy also. don't forget to send the hard copy. Okay, so the last date for receiving of hard copy of online application along with the enclosures by the university is 27th August 2021. Fine. So these are the important dates. So please remember those dates, guys, and as per those dates, okay, so you have to follow up. And coming to the remaining details here, online applications are invited up to 24th August 2021, and the online application form available on the recruitment portal of the university website, and you have to submit the application fee 1500 rupees for unreserved and OBC candidates, and 1000 rupees for the SC/ST candidates, and application fee once paid will not be refunded. And so these are the things, and the hard copy of a duly filled online application should reach the registrar Jananayak Chandrasekhar University, Ballai, through speed post only up to 27th August 2021. The hard copy of the online application along with all enclosures received after the last date will not be considered. Okay. And coming to the educational qualifications or the qualifications requirement for the assistant professor in the disciplines of arts, commerce, humanities, and social sciences, master's degree with 55% of marks in the concerned departments. Okay, and the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And the candidates who did the PhD as per the regulations 2009 or 16, those candidates are exempted from the national eligibility test or the state eligibility test qualification. But even though if you don't have the PhD, no problem, guys. PG with 55% plus UGC NET or SLET or SET or CSIR NET. If these qualifications are there, then you can apply for this post. And anyhow, associate professor, the PhD is required, and professor also the PhD is required. Okay, that is mandatory qualifications. So these are all the points, guys. And no TADA will be given to applicants for appearing in interview. Fine. Candidates of Uttar Pradesh only can claim the reservation under SC/ST or OBC category. That means, actually, for even though it is a state university, if you don't belong to Uttar Pradesh, then no problem. All over the India, from any state, you can apply for this post. But if you belongs to other than the Uttar Pradesh, then even though you are a reserved candidate, but you will comes under the general candidate. Okay, general category. Only these reservations are applicable. That is SC/ST, OBC categories are applicable only for the UP locals. Okay. And yeah, these are things, guys. And the selection process will be based upon the interview, but TADA will not be provided. So whatever the enclosures are there, you have to check down, and the certificate of the employer. Okay, and summary sheet to be attached in 7 copies. Okay, it is a summary sheet that you have to attach in total 7 copies. Okay, so please check down here. Academic qualifications, publications, teaching and other work experience, research papers. Okay, any books published. Fine. So other important articles published. Okay, and research and academic contribution. What about your research and academic contribution? So based upon that one, here the tables and the complete application form is there. So you have to take the printout of this application form. Okay, and then fill up all the details and attach the necessary enclosures. Fine, and then you have to send it to the mentioned address through registered post or the speed post, whatever they are mentioned in this notification. Okay, so before applying, please check the details very clearly and then start applying, guys. Okay, so finally, it is a detailed recruitment notification regarding this Jananayak Chandrasekhar University, Ballai State University. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTI UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.